Assalamualaikum guys, in this video I am going to tell you that how to create your YouTube channel. So first click on YouTube. We will open our YouTube. After opening YouTube, we will click on right corner and then click on this where reality news and then click on at the end unsolving highlight. So in this we will see that I have created many accounts on YouTube. Then we will click on your channel. After clicking on your channel you will see that use YouTube as entering your YouTube name. Then so I will enter my YouTube name as a YouTuber, example YouTuber boy. So then click on create channel and you will see that your channel will be created. If you want to upload videos, click on the camera button and your videos will be uploaded. You will see that YouTuber boy will be created. And then we will click on setting and entering description. Anyone else means subscribe my channel. Click on OK and then privacy, keep all my subscription private, keep all my saved playlists private. So our channel will be created. I hope you like the video. If you like it, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for new updates. Thank you.